Find features that distinguish it from other brands for EZIOOV Y60 Solar, Powered Robotic Pool Skimmer, Cordless Automatic Pool Cleaner, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. This automatic pool cleaner offers 2 charging options: solar power with premium photovoltaic panels and a 3-hour fast adapter charge. The high-efficiency solar panel ensures uninterrupted cleaning even on rainy or cloudy days, while the adapter provides rapid charging for nighttime operation. Equipped with a pool skimmer basket and reinforced fan blades, this pool skimmer robot solar effectively traps floating debris like leaves, pollen, insects, and pet hair, preventing leaks. Ideal for both in-ground and above-ground pool skimmers. Simply place the cordless solar pool skimmer on the water surface. It activates in 10 seconds, blue light indicator, and autonomously cleans without manual intervention. No programming is required. Designed for continuous use in diverse conditions, this robotic pool cleaner operates day and night. Its solar-powered system maintains efficiency during cloudy weather, while the lightweight build ensures compatibility with pool skimmer poles. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.